Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the back camera on the Google Pixel 4 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow the back cover removal. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While removing the back cover, be gentle. The flash sensor plug connects to the back cover. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 5 screws. Next, take out the sensor bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and sensor plug from the board. And now the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 4 screws. Next, take out the front camera module by disconnecting 3 plugs and undoing 2 screws. Next, take out the bottom right bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, pull out the logic board by disconnecting 7 connector plugs, the antenna head and ejecting the SIM tray. Be gentle. Move cable aside while pulling out the board. Next, disconnect 2 camera connector plugs and pull out the not working rear camera unit from the board. Next, place and secure the new rear camera unit to the board. Next, secure the logic board in the frame. Be gentle while placing. Move the cable aside and secure the panel. Next, secure 7 connector plugs, the antenna head and the SIM tray into the board. Next, secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, place the front camera module by adding 2 screws and 3 connector plugs. Next, place the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, connect the back cover sensor flex to the board and place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and secure the bracket by adding 5 screws. Next, before closing the device, it is a good practice to verify the functionality by powering off the device. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to secure the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.